Hey there, snow enthusiasts! I am Tiger Car System, your go-to snow cone accessories specialist. And today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to the ultimate way to enhance your snowy adventures. The Snow Cone Scraper from Tiger Car System Com. Tired of spending ages brushing off snow from your car and other belongings? The Snow Cone Scraper is here to solve that problem. Crafted with precision and efficiency in mind, this scraper effortlessly glides through even the thickest snow, giving you a clean and clear surface every time. No more freezing hands and struggling with stubborn snow. With the Snow Cone Scraper, clearing snow becomes a breeze, just pure, mess-free efficiency. Whether you're clearing your car in the morning, prepping your snowboard for a thrilling ride, or just getting ready for a snowball fight, the Snow Cone Scraper ensures your snow-covered surfaces look pristine and ready for action. The Snow Cone Scraper is family-friendly and easy to use, making it a great tool for kids and adults alike. Create unforgettable memories while conquering the snow together. Invest in this durable scraper, and it will be your trusty companion for many snowy adventures to come. Cleaning up after your snowy escapades is a breeze with the Snow Cone Scraper. Just give it a quick wipe or pop it in the dishwasher, and it's ready for your next snow-filled day. So, what are you waiting for? Elevate your snowy moments and clear snow like a pro with the Snow Cone Scraper from ChillConeTools.com. Click that Add to Cart button now and say goodbye to hours of snow clearing and hello to hassle-free snow days. Thank you for joining us today. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more fantastic snow cone accessories and exciting snowy treats.